Hello folks, Jose Rodriguez here. As a sequel to the previous video that I just made on how to create a cell size of 8 by 10 or any other size for that matter and load it onto an 11 by 8.5 document so that you can then trim off the resulting printed images and get perfect borderless prints without any chance of losing some of the image due to the enlarging that takes place when you choose to print borderless. But there is a much easier way. As if that wasn't easy enough to do, there is a much easier way. This is normally closed, but if you drop down the arrow for Lightroom templates, you will see that there are many templates, and you can see right here as they are indicated as you scroll down the various templates that you have available. Remember, we were trying to do 8 by 10, so let's go ahead and just quickly click on that one, and oh my gosh, look at that, instant 8 by 10. And again, you can just go image to image, adjust accordingly, print, adjust accordingly, print, and so on and so on. And there is no limit of how well you can do this. Any image will be fitted as best as it can in one of the long or the short dimension. And you also have the ability to create, say, a 5 by 7 centered. And you can see that. 2 5 by 7s in the center, one large with stroke, as you can see. It automatically handles that for you. You can do contact sheets. How many do we have here? 4 by 5, so that is 20 images. Let's just load up a bunch of these and add a couple more. So here is a contact sheet that you can just go ahead and print and hand over to your client. So see, the use of these templates that are built into your Lightroom printer module come in extremely handy for the production of either contact sheets or individual size prints, as you can see right here. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, sometimes things are easy and sometimes they're even easier. And so please take a look at this feature on your Lightroom printer module, and you should be able to access this. And for the persons who were asking, how can I repeatedly crop images to 8 by 10 so that I could then print them onto letter size paper and possibly trim them off to exact 8 by 10 sizes? This is the best way to do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, share, and like. And until the next time, everyone, happy printing. Bye-bye.